Hello guys, if you're struggling to park your car, no worries, as today we'll show you how to install and code parking sensors. Here are the parts that are necessary to retrofit a parking assistance system. Firstly, disassemble the car interior details for the installation of the control unit and wiring. Then, remove the taillights and the rear bumper. Route the wiring harness from the control unit to the rear bumper and other components in the side. Don't forget to install a buzzer that will give an audible warning when parking, and prepare the openings for parking sensors. Open the holes for the sensors with a cutting tool from the manufacturer. Once you've made openings for them, install the parking sensors with brackets in their marked default places. Connect the wires to each sensor, then remount the rear bumper with the installed park sensors and insert back the rear lights. If you wish to do so, perform the same installation steps for the front bumper. Connect the wires to the control unit, following which install the park control button. For your final steps, connect to the vehicle with OBDeleven to code the park distance control module. On the app, tap on Control Units and click on the Gateway List coding icon. Choose Parking Assistance and click Code. That's it. Enjoy safe parking without the risk of scratching your bumpers. And don't forget to watch for obstacles on your multimedia screen. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to improve your car.